What we got going on today? Today's special day. We got DJ over here with Dad.
Yeah.
D Senior, D Junior. He see his son doing his thing. Now tell us what we doing for the people that don't know.
So we done flipped it. We done got that good looking color. We done got it cooked right. Now it's time to season it up. And we're gonna, after we season it, we're gonna break it up a little bit. We're gonna hit it with the mop.
Now while we break it up.
While we break it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we're gonna break it up and then let it cook. Let it cook some more in its own juices and let it soak it up. Let it cook in that season.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
do what you do. You showing me. And I know we always get in the comments, that's too much salt. Like I try to tell people, this is a lot of hog. This ain't like no pork chop sandwich.
Nah.
You got to put something on it. You don't even taste all that. Just trust it. Just come. If you're curious about how salty it is, come and try it. We'll let you try it for free, and I promise you that. What you always tell them, D?
Better come get you some.
Better come get you some.
Get you some.
Tell them, Dan.
Yes, sir.
I promise you, it's not salty at all.
Yeah.
I know you got that mop right there. People say that's a real mop. Then he gonna put that spoon on it first, like he said. He gonna break it up and he gonna hit it with that au jus, baby.
Oh yeah. We're gonna take the spoon. And all we just gonna get in there. Turn.
Ooh.
We're doing this turning, just breaking it up a little bit.
Still that flavor.
Yeah, you can hear that crackling too.
You don't want to go too hard. You're gonna punch the other side of the skin. You don't want to do all that. You just want to. So that mop will sink in.
Man, that thing's so pretty when you took that rack off, man. I think that's the best one yet, boy.
Oh yeah.
I'm serious. I ain't jiving.
We're bringing it to you. Like that. Nothing too crazy. You just want to be able to let the mop seep down in there. Look at the meat.
Oh, that good meat right there.
Just like that. Just like that.
Now that right there, that's so potent, but I can just take little sips of that sometimes when it cools out. But
It's a little hot right now.
now when you dip that mop it and hit that meat with it, what we gonna do after then? You said we're gonna let it cook for a little bit?
Yes, sir. We're gonna put some more coals on it. Secure that bowl. We're just gonna cook it a little bit more.
You said
Let
to
it
scare
sit.
as a bowl?
Yes, sir.
Get all that natural flavor in there, that pillow fat. For people who know what they mean, you know.
Yeah.
Some people say that's extra mop. Yes, it is, but it's clean, came straight from the store. It's all cotton. They don't have all those chemicals on it.
Clean. Nothing crazy.
That's how the old school did it. We're just trying to keep tradition going, but giving a new school flavor to it.
Yeah, the juices. Just want to let it soak it all up.
Now this mop sauce got fresh lemon sliced up and boiled in vinegar. It got some special seasonings, herbs and spices.
Yeah. Speaking of seasoning, go to eatbobbies.com and get you some of that barbecue rub that we use on this. We also got a citrus. It's good with fish and vegetables. And then we got the all-purpose rub. Go on anything.
That mop so potent, made it come out.
Mop couldn't even handle it.
The mop couldn't even handle it. Look.
And it's off of them.
Yeah, I love that. Might be even better. Get the feeling. All right, you about ready to close this thing? You see how that juice in there and all that stuff gonna do is just cook. When we put that thing, put them coals back, it's gonna be bubbling up something. It's gonna penetrate all that meat. All that meat. All right, let's see it a little bit.